Sometimes your data is in one column and you want to split it into separate columns. I have this data where the town and county are combined into one location cell. The town and county are separated by a comma. I'm going to split the town and county into separate columns, and the split will occur where the comma is. Firstly, I need to check that I have some blank cells ready for my split data to go into. If I already had some data in column C, when I perform the split, the county will replace the data that was in column C. Now I select the data that I want to split, and from the data menu, I choose split text into columns, and that's it. It's detected where to split the data automatically. If it hadn't done that, you could click where it says detect automatically, and you could choose what your separator is. Or you could click on custom and you could type in your own separator. I've typed an underscore here, I didn't really want that, so I'm going to backspace to get rid of that. Click back on custom and choose comma to ensure that the data is split where the comma occurs.